Are you struggling to communicate with your members? Are contact details out of date? Are members not getting the message? Have you hassle collecting payments and organizing events? And also big GDPR worries? Komeer has the answer. Komeer provides an easy-to-use and secure platform that makes it a cinch to communicate with your members, organize events, and collect payments. Komeer also provides some really clever GDPR management and health checks to make sure that you and your membership's data are up to date and fully compliant. With Komeer, you can save up to 85% on your communication costs, collect payments securely by card or by direct debit, and avoid the risk of GDPR nightmares. To find out more and sign up for a free trial, please visit www.komeer.com.